Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world.
Welcome to my world. Today I'm making some bath salts. And I'm going to be using rock salt, ice cream salt. And I have some pickling salt just to show you that there's many different kinds of salt that you can use to make your bath salts with. There's table salt, rock salt, pickling salt, Epsom salt, sea salt, and saltpeter. So there's a lot of different types of salts. And as you can see, once we make our salts, we can put them in different bottles, and we can use them to decorate our bathroom. But more importantly, salt is a very good cleanser. So let's begin. We have our jar. I have not opened this yet, so and we're just going to put our rock salt. And you can notice that the rock salt ice cream salt is the same kind of salt that you buy in the store. You buy it from most of the store. You spend all that money for bath salts that you can make at home for little or nothing. So we put in our rock salt. Then we add a food coloring. I'm just going to use green because it's out right now. But any color that you want to use, you can mix colors. As you can see, ta-da. And that's with the Epsom salt. But let's just add a little bit of food coloring. We're going to give it a couple of shakes so that the food coloring goes all over the salt. Nice color. You can do any color or you can do no color. Now that we have the food coloring on, it's okay. It's pretty good. Nice color. Let's add our essential oil. And we're going to be adding lavender oil, which is for burns, inflammation, cuts, wounds, headaches. It smells so good. The nausea, infections, bacterial conditions, for sores, ulcers, boils, insomnia. It's for arthritis, for a lot of different things. And you're going to love it in your bath. So we add our essential oils. Basically, that's it. And you have your bath salts with a beautiful smell. You can use any kind of jar that you want. I was going to fill these up for you, but it will be forever trying to get them through this little hole. So just for time's sake, I'm going to fill this jar up. Seems like I might just put it in there. Yeah. Okay. Now, once you have it in there, you are done. Ready to go to the bathroom. Also, what else I want to say about salt? It's very cleansing. It repels negativity. It rids astral energies. It's very purifying. Very relaxing in the bath. You're going to love it. It's saltpeter halts sexual desires and it's often used in prisons. So there's many different things that salt is used for flavoring and also for preserving foods. So I hope you like this little short video and how to make your own bath salts. Until next time, love and peace.